Value Golf, Dumas, hole number 10. Okay, I played the whole front 9, doing the early set. It was rocky. I gotta admit, it was rocky. It was a little bit different than what I normally do. Short game, I love it for the short game. But I hung with it, and I just had to remember, it's just the same thing that I was doing here, except it was here, okay? Do the same thing that you're doing, folks, if you want to try this. However you're swinging back to the ball after using the protocols, don't change that. I think I changed it in the first couple, 3 or 4 holes. Breakfast bug. And then after that, I got back to my normal swing and it worked out okay. Okay, this is a par 5. Second shot, we're gonna have to deal with a tree right in the middle of the fairway. Okay, good hit. Ooh, I wish I had some ketchup with that bug. Ugh. Don't you love that? Right when you're talking, some 8 or 12-legged creature crawls in your mouth. Oh yeah. Very muggy today. Dew is not drying. No roll whatsoever. Don't know if they got some rain over here that I didn't know about, but there's no roll. Oh, one thing too, hang on, let me wash this bug down. One thing too, I gotta tell you about, if you don't go back to your regular swing doing this, you're gonna lose some yardage. I lost yardage, okay? It just happened. Once I got my swing back, not change, you know, you kind of change things when you do something new. But I went back to my regular swing and it worked out just fine. Got the yardage back, okay? Tell you what, it's really hard to find these balls this morning. Man, the sun is just, it's a killer right now. Alright, I'm probably gonna have to go up and come back. It's a nice shot going right down the middle with a little draw on it, which we expect out of channel lock. Okay, let's bail off here and see if we can see it. Oh, there it is. Okay. There's the tree right there. So, which side do we want to go on? Do you feel lucky today? Well, do you, punk? All right, it's par 5, pretty long. So, I'm gonna try to keep it on the left side of that tree. Hit the tree. Hit the tree. Oh. Now let's go see what kind of damage we got. Good ball, nice strike. Just didn't aim enough to the left. All right, let's go see what the damages are. So far, I don't see nothing. Nothing. Ain't no telling where that ball went, folks. Ain't no telling where that ball went. Oh, there it is. All right, right underneath the tree. All right. Oh, look, they put a nice red steak for us. Really? Thank you. All right, let me back you up here. I'm gonna be getting off some roots. Y'all say what you want to say. I ain't gonna break my hands. Okay, I see a white flag up there. That gives us about 110. We got limbs right here. Yep, root. Okay. 110. There we go. Like I said, I don't know if it's this or what, but I've lost a little bit of yardage, but I did get it back. Standing on a root. Oh, that's wonderful. All right. I don't know if you guys can see it, but here we go. All right. Ooh, muddy, muddy, buddy. Man, I still got that bug in my mouth. Oh, you gotta put the stake up. Hang on. Yeah, put a nice red stake up there so you don't hit the tree, I guess. Okay. All right, so, oh, I forgot to tell you, this is a par 5, by the way. I don't know if I told you that. All right, let's see if we can get out of here. Really, I didn't really see where the ball went. I know it's going towards the green, so your guess is good as mine. Looks a little wet up there. I think we're just gonna walk it in. No idea where that ball went. Like I said, it got out from underneath the tree, which is a good thing. So let's go see. They must have got some rain over here because the sand traps look like a mud pie. Oh, there it is. Oh, cool. Right on the green. Almost made it. Almost made it. All right, here we go. Try to get it so you can see everything. I tell you what, I'm going to putt that. Yes, I am. Okay, got a par out of the deal. Still learning this new thing, but I think there's something to it. You just got to remember. I'm trying to get the sun. You just got to remember, don't change your swing if you do this. It was originally put out for those who couldn't negative load, okay? If you try this, just set it and do your normal body swing, okay? Buy you golf, I'll get you another one.